Hi kids, welcome to our fun language adventure. Today, we're going to learn about special words called conjunctions. Conjunctions are like little connectors that join words, phrases, or clauses together. Let's start with a simple conjunction. And. We use and to join two things together. For example, I like to eat apples and bananas. Another common conjunction is but. We use but to show contrast or opposition. For example, I want to go to the park, but it is raining. The conjunction or is used to show a choice between two things. For example, we can eat pizza or pasta for dinner. We use so to show a result or consequence. For example, I studied hard, so I passed the test. The conjunction because is used to explain a reason. For example, I can't go outside because it's too cold. Now let's practice. I'll give you a sentence and you try to fill in the blank with a conjunction. I like to play video games - read books. The answer is and. I like to play video games and read books. We can go to the beach - the pool. We can use or here so we can go to the beach or the pool. My dog loves to play fetch - he loves to run. The answer is because. My dog loves to play fetch because he loves to run. Last one. He was tired - he fell asleep. The answer is so. He was tired, so he fell asleep. Well done, everyone. You're now conjunction experts. Remember, conjunctions help us connect our thoughts and make our sentences more interesting. Keep practicing and have fun with language. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and share it with a friend.